Hi friends, welcome to another piano tutorial. My name is Josh and today I'm going to be teaching you the song Talking to the Moon by Bruno Mars here on the piano. This is a really fun song to learn. It has kind of a lot of chords, but they're going to be really easy voicings and it's a really easy rhythm to play throughout. So I really encourage you to give this song a shot. I think it's a great song to learn for any skill level. If you are new to my channel, remember to subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and also drop a like if you are enjoying this video. I would really appreciate that. Alright, let's get right into this video. Alright everyone, let's get started with this tutorial. We're going to go step by step through each of the different sections, looking at the chords in each one of them. But first, this song is going to be in the key of E major. Alright, so our first chord here is going to be in the intro, and it's just going to be a single chord here in the intro, and it's going to be an E major chord. So here I'm just going to play an E in the left hand, and then a B, E, and G sharp here in the right hand. Now for all these chords, I'm just going to be playing a single note in the left hand just to keep it simple, but if you want to, you can play octaves or even more, however you want to play it. It's a very simple rhythm actually, so in each of the chords I'm going to show you here in the right hand, we're going to have 3 notes. One you'll play with your thumb, and then the other 2 you'll play with 2 other fingers, whatever's comfortable for you. Just like that. And so what we're going to do is on the beat, we're going to be playing the top 2 notes, and then in between beats, we're going to play the thumb, and we're just going to go back and forth. So instead of playing all together like this, we're going to be playing like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that same rhythm where we're playing the top 2 notes and then the bottom one, just going back and forth, we're going to be using that in the verse and the pre-chorus as well, pretty much for a lot of this song. Anyways, so that's going to be our intro, just the E major chord. Next up we have the verse, and here we're going to start on our E major chord, just like before. And now our second chord is going to be here. This is going to be a G sharp 7 chord. Notice here that we have the C in this chord, so we have G sharp in the left hand, C, D sharp, and F sharp. And that C is significant because it's not in the key of E major, remember? The C is not here in the key, and that's what kind of gives it that unique sound right there. It sounds really cool. So once again, E major, G sharp 7, and now we're going to go here to a C sharp minor chord. So this is going to be C sharp in the left hand, C sharp, E, and G sharp. Now we're just going to walk down to a B chord, B in the left hand, B, D sharp, and F sharp here in the right, and then down to an A chord, A in the left hand, A, C sharp, and E here in the right hand. And remember, feel free to use whatever fingering is best for you. And those are going to be all the chords for the verse. Now let's try to incorporate that rhythm that we learned for the intro. It's going to be exactly the same here, just remember those top 2 notes and then the thumb. So we'll play like this, starting the verse. And then we repeat. Notice that each chord is getting 4 beats, 2, 3, 4, except for these 2 right here. They each get 2 beats, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beats on that last chord, that A chord there. Alright, so now let's move on to the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus is going to be pretty easy. We just have 2 chords here. So we'll start here with our F sharp minor chord, F sharp in the left hand, F sharp, A, and C sharp in the right hand. And then we're going to go to a B chord, so B in the left hand, and we'll keep this thumb here on the F sharp, and now play B and D sharp in the right hand. Before we were playing our B chord like this, but to make the hand movement a little simpler, I just like to go from F sharp minor to B like this. So F sharp, B, and D sharp there in the right hand. And then we just go back, F sharp minor, and B. And again, we're going to be playing that same rhythm, so it's going to sound like this. usually just wait on this last B chord before we get into the actual chorus. All right, so now moving into that chorus, we're gonna start here on our A chord. Just like before, A in the left hand, A, C sharp, and E. Now we'll move up to B chord, just like in the verse, B in the left hand, B, D sharp, F sharp. And now C sharp minor, C sharp, E, and G sharp. We'll repeat that, A, B, and C sharp minor, just like before. Now we're gonna start the same way, this third line, so A again, B, and now we're gonna be quickly walking through a bunch of chords here, but in the left hand, we're just gonna be moving straight down, and in the right hand, you just gotta play the correct chords. So we'll start here with our E chord, so I'm playing E here in the left hand, B, E, G sharp. Then we'll move down to a D sharp in the left hand, move down to D sharp and F sharp in the right hand. So this is gonna be a B chord like before, but now we have a D sharp in the bass, so we call this B over D sharp. Now we're gonna go back to C sharp minor, just like we had it before, and then we're just gonna continue to walk down B and A, just like we were going up in the chorus, but now we're going down. One more time, that line going down, E, B over D sharp, C sharp minor, B, and A. And then to end, we'll just go back to our B chord. And then we end our chorus with these three chords here. You might call this the post chorus as well. C sharp minor, B, and then this funky chord here, F sharp. That's an F sharp major. Before, remember in the pre-chorus, we were playing this chord, F sharp minor with the A. Now we're gonna be playing the A sharp here. So that's gonna be an F sharp major chord. Gives it a cool sound there as we transition into the second verse. All right, so let's review all those chords now. So here in the chorus, I pretty much like to play just block chords here in the right hand, meaning I'm playing all three notes at the same time. I'm not gonna be breaking it up like I was in the verse, but you can if you want to give it just a little bit more rhythm, that's up to you. But yeah, let me show you now. Let me play it in time, just playing block chords in the right hand and going through all those chords in the chorus, starting with our A chord. All right, and that is gonna be the end of our chorus. All right, so last but not least, we have this bridge, and this bridge is gonna be pretty simple. It's gonna be all chords that we've used before. So we're gonna start here with our F sharp minor chord, just like we did in the pre-chorus. And then we're gonna go to an E chord. I usually just go down, I think, to this E chord here, playing E, G sharp, and B here in the right hand with our E in the left hand. But if you wanna play it like we did before up here, you can. It's just a little bit more of a jump. So we have F sharp minor, E, we'll go back to F sharp minor, and then we'll go to B here. So now B in the left hand, F sharp, B, and D sharp here in the right hand. Basically, it's exactly the same as the pre-chorus, but instead of going F sharp, B, F sharp, B, now instead of playing that first B chord, we're gonna be playing an E chord. So F sharp minor, E, then F sharp minor, B. Just like that. And in time, that's just gonna sound like this. And then it repeats. And then we go right into the chorus. And yeah, but that is everything you need to know to play this song, Talking to the Moon by Bruno Mars, a really fun piano song. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions about anything, or if there was anything I didn't explain very clearly. I'd be happy to answer those questions for you. Hey everyone, wanted to thank you just one more time for watching this video. I really do appreciate the support here on the channel. It really means a lot to me. And you can support me in a few other ways: by liking this video, by leaving a comment down below to tell me you enjoyed it, or subscribe to my channel. Those are just a couple ways that are really easy to do. And yeah, they just show some support. Anyways, I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.